Hello guys, welcome to another video. So today's video topic is airplane fuel tank capacity and how much it can fly. The plane will consume 2508 liter of fuel per hour. An Airbus 321 Neo on full capacity of 32,940 liter is if an Airbus A321 Neon burns 0.3 liter per second and Boeing 747 use approximately 4 liters every second, which translate to 40 liters per minute and 14,400 per hour. How long a plane fly on a full tank of fuel? Plane can now fly for 21 hours non-stop. Airplanes are more sensitive to weight and loading, and more often that not can be operated with tank full or fuel on every flight. More often than not can be operated with every airplane has a limited maximum takeoff weight capacity by the manufacturers, and you are legal objected it to follow it. Common sense should tell you it's good idea to can a plane land with no much fuel? Planes are designed to land below certain weight. A heavier plane is more likely to hit the ground harder and get damaged. It got 5,000 gallons of fuel, which is about elephant weighted down. So landing with a full tank is pretty risky. Do airplane drops fuel? Some airplanes, usually larger ones, have the capability to dump fuel to reduce the landing weight. Dumping fuel can reduce the weight quickly, dumping thousands of pounds in a few minutes. Enough in a few minutes. In the rare instance the dumping fuel becomes necessary, there are procedures the suspend to be followed. Why do planes fly so high? Why do we will see the relatable question. Airplane fuel cost per liter. Boeing 747 fuel tank capacity. Boeing 747 and fuel tank capacity. Airplane fuel consumption per kilometer. Flight fuel cost. Airplane fuel mileage. Boeing 737 fuel consumption per hour. How much fuel does a plane use per hour? So most commercial aircraft typically fly at around 460 to 575 kilometers or 740 to 930 according to flight deck and but private jet speed can and depending on a variety of factors such as the weight, onboarding, and the weather conditions as well. So and how high can a plane? So I will open this website how much fuel air with 15 examples. This is all aircraft's name and with how much they consume, as you can see as well. Fuel weight kgs, fuel capacity liter 375,000 liters capacity as well. And this is 227. If I open this, so this is this type of plane. This was the video.